Yeah, I say that with the program and the seminar today was very insightful. There was a number of things that I came here specifically for. Although I know that business development is a process in itself, some of the early steps that I have to take, like I was able to get them right here with the Apostle Karen Long. She did a wonderful job today. Again, like I say, my thing was about moving forward with the branding process. Being able to get the barcodes, being able to get the nutritional facts and stuff, the information I need for that, getting a clear understanding about minority certification. These are the things that I needed in order for me to push my business forward. As far as the other parts of it, as far as ramping up production is not a hard thing to do. It's the sales and the distribution network that I'm really concerned about, and the Apostle, she seems to have all that pretty much intact. So she did instruct me very well. We do have some further follow-up meetings that we're going to be attending or taking care of, and this thing I'm sure is going to help me move the business a lot further than what I had anticipated being able to move it forward from this point. So thank you again, Apostle and the Garden of Eden. They did a great job with me, and I intend for this thing to persist.
Amen.
Amen.